Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are well and safe. Today we will do soft eye makeup with flawless base. So let's start. So first we will start with color correction to take out all the pigmented area and the uneven skin tone for that flawless base. Here I am mixing two shades. One is orange and the second one is yellow to get that peach tone. As I do not have that much dark circles or dark pigmentation on my face, so I am using a light color. Until or unless you are not requiring that much orange on your face, please don't go for that. Always mix it up with a foundation or a concealer or a lighter shade to take out your skin tone. Cover all the required areas with the applicator brush. After giving 10 to 20 seconds, let's blend it thoroughly. Blending is not easy as one swipe. You have to buffer or blend the pigment of that product again and again to get skin-like layer. The more we blend the product, the more we get the flawless base. I will be using a buffer brush to blend it finely. After the color correction, I will be using foundation. For that, I am taking Maybelline foundation of my skin type. I'll be taking a little on the back of my hand and then dotting all over my face. Once I have placed the product on the face, I will be using foundation applicator brush to mix all the product on the skin. After spreading the product on my face evenly, I will be using a beauty blender to take out all the extra product and blending it more seamlessly on the skin. Now we will be using a light concealer to highlight all the high points of the face. In this step only, I will conceal my eyes to prep them for the eye makeup. I will be contouring my face on the same time with a dark concealer. Now we will blend the product with the beauty blender. First, we will blend the product on all the high points of our face. For eyes, I am using the finger to blend this concealer on the eyelids. Then we will be blending the contouring area. Again, I will be taking all the extra product on the beauty blender wherever I find that the product is extra on my face. Another tip, I will be using a lipstick for my blusher. If you do not have a cream blusher, you can also use the same hack. Now we will blend this from the cheeks to the temple of the face. After blending it seamlessly, we will be shaping our brows with the eyebrow pencil. After this, we will brush the brows to define them. Now we will start our eye makeup with the transition shade. Here I will be using the eyeshadow palette of Pro Face and Makeup Revolution. In the corners, I will be using dark purple shade. And then I'm taking pink color on all over the eye, starting from the corner only, and then blending it seamlessly so that two colors are not popping out differently. It should look like the lighter shade of the pink tone is getting darker in the corners. For the lower lash, I will be taking the mid color which we have used earlier on the upper eyelid from the eyeshadow palette, that is the pink color. Now I will be using a highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes to give that glowy look. Now I will be highlighting my cheekbones with a highlighter. To give the eyes a more defined look, we will be using a gel eyeliner. To pop the eyes more, I will be using kajal in the lower lash line till the mid of the eyelid. Here we will be using a curler to give the lashes a firm look. Then a mascara to volumizing the lashes. Now we will be shaping our lips with a lip liner and filling them with the same. On top of it, we will be applying a liquid matte lipstick in pink shade only. And here's the look we achieved. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for new updates.